Right, so we have this text here, right? Notice that I have to be using Arial to make it look different. What if Arial was not on my system? What if I'm trying to use Arial and it's not on my system? Will it work? Let me try to use one kind of fonts. I want to use one kind of font that I've not seen in my life. Let me use something like Impact. Let me move on this other code. And just like Impact. If Impact is not on this system, it will not work. As you can see, Impact is there. Impact is there. So let me use this one, this long name, like German name. So put it there. Refresh. Still there. Still there. I've never even heard that name in my life. Let me use Gil Sands. Calibre will still be there, sharp. Let me try this one. You notice that if it is two words, it is inside a quote. If it's inside a quote, it's two words. Like if the font has two words, to be inside a quote. Area is one word. Calibre one word. That long one was one word. But this is two words, so use quotes. I don't think it's not working. I don't think it's not working. This is not working. Right? It's because it should look different. But it's looking like the way it normally looks like. You know that because of this font not here, that means you have to install it, I mean. You have to install it. But what? Calibre. Calibre is not like this. Calibre is sans serif. Sans serif is the kind of font that will not have this chuku and the edge. Yeah, so in this example, so in this example, this is not this font, it's not working. So is it the only way to make it work is if you install it, Abi? What if I now say, okay, I want to make a website now, and I make a website? Will I, if I want to use this font, and the font is not on this guy's system, not your system, does it mean that I will tell you, first install this thing before you use my website? Will I tell you that? No. Instead, I can direct this website and tell it that anybody that comes to my website, automatically download it from them. How do you do that? Just go online and search for Google Fonts. Google Fonts. So once you do that, you see this website that says fonts.google.com, tap on it, and you'll be able to see a lot of fonts. You can choose any one you like. You can see how it looks like. So I'll be choosing two. I'll choose two different kind of fonts. I'll choose one normal font, and I'll choose one handwriting kind of fonts. Right, so see, this is the most common. The most common is this Boboto. This one here. So let me look for something more different. Let me look for. Let me do this one. Let's do this one. Right. This is Roboto. So it's still Roboto. Chinese. No, not the Chinese. Let's use this one. Huawei. So we'll tap on it. Scroll down. You see how it should look like. It tells you that there's different thickness. There's 100, there's 200, there's 300, there's 400, there's 500. All this blah 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 blah. Just press on Get Fonts. Just press Get Fonts. So when you see there, it will tell you get the code. For now, don't get code because we are trying to get two, not one. So I'll first go back again, back to the home page, and look for another font. I will press on this filter because I want to look for handwriting kind of fonts. So I'll scroll down. Look for fancy, this kind of fancy handwriting. It should give me something that is styled, something that looks like all those kind of fine handwriting fonts, something like this. So I like this one. I'll tap on this. Say get fonts too. You see, it's showing one here, but when I tap that, it shows two. Now I'll say get embed code. Meaning I want to get the code that will make it work for me. Remember, for this to work, the person needs data. And is it possible for anybody to go to your website without data? It's not possible. So it means automatically when the person downloads, when the person goes to your website, it will automatically download that font for you on that system or the system. Then it works. So yes, press on get embed code. This is how you should be doing it. You know, normally if you use area, everybody has area. But in this example, use this kind of way so that if you like a particular font, you want to use a particular font to your website. If you go to the website, automatically to show them. So like that. So I will go and get embed font. Get embed code. You will see this is how you can use this font. It says we have in this example of this first font. Hold on. This example of this first font. It says we have italic. The weight of the first one. That's the first one. The first one is weight of 100 to 900. That means 100, 200, different thickness. different thickness. You scroll down again, this last one. This one does not have anything. It just has regular, the normal one. It cannot be bold. It cannot be bold. That's what this is. It cannot be bold. So yes, we'll just scroll down. Yeah. Sure. Sharp. So yes, what we will do is to just scroll down and copy this link that you see here. This link you see here. Copy. Go back to the top of your code, like your link, and paste. Paste it here. Okay, so when you do that, let's continue. So yes, go back here. It says if you want to use that first font that has different thickness, just copy this code here. Just copy this stuff here, right? So let me use that for this one. You know the slides. Okay, so come back here, refresh. What will you see? Working. Alright. Let me now make it let me target H1. Say H1 have a font weight. Remember weight. We have bold, we have normal. I mean, for example, I will say 100, 200. So this example, 100 will look like this, very tiny. 200 like this. This is getting thicker. If you want the highest, just put the 900. You get it now. So in this example, you can make it that anybody that comes to the website, automatically they will see it in these fonts. So all they need to just use data. Same thing with you guys too. If you want this to work, you need data. Use data to download on your system, and your system will now have these fonts ready. That's how it works. Everybody uses this, not just Arial or whatever. So if you're using any font, first go to this font.google.com and search for the font you like. Look for the kind of font you like. And when you have that font, copy that link, paste at the top, then use it. Remember, you need data for it. So if you're working with all these things, you need data. Go online. This one tells you the code you should copy, blah blah blah. If later you don't want this, you want to make a new font again, you want to get a new font, all you need to do is just to clear it. Where is the clear button? You see here, just tap on here and say, where's that button for clearing? Yeah, remove all. Just press this and all of it is done. Then you search for another font again. Simple as that. So in this example, let us now use that other font. I forgot to use that other font too. I don't go delete that shit. So yes, the font was this one. Remember well, right? Was it this one? No, not mine. Nice. Yeah, it's Imperial. Imperial is this one. Is this one here? This one. So let us first get font again. How should we use it? First get embed code and scroll down. See how you should call it. It says use font family. Okay, so yes, font family. How am I looking at you? Are you mad? Okay, I watch you. Are you mad? I just came outside, I swear. Okay, so yes, simple as that. Just call that particular font for me. And how will it look like now? You know what? Relax, you know what? This is not how it should look like. This Imperial, whatever is not working. Font width, it says font width 400, this font width number, let me just copy it from it to here. It should work, but if it does not work, we will know. Oh, my bad. It is because of this area code. Okay, not my bad. So yes, let me just remove this first here. Paste it. Alt F.
Showing them more right.
So yeah, walking. Right? Walking. I think I saw something like. Can put it now again. Welcome. Yeah, it was good. It looks like you can change to do two different. Maybe the lighter one is normal. Then higher 900. It looks like this. Good. Some fonts cannot be good, but this one you see that the highest is this one, so it's the same thing. This is the highest. You get it? So, any question on that? Any question? No. Any question on that?
Yes.
Shut the hell up, bro. Any question? So that's that. Right, now let us go to maps, how to use maps. Simple and short, we go to maps.google.com. Like normal. Bruh, relax. Is this your data? I want to accept cookies. How can I catch you? Also, yes, this is our map. Yeah. So usually you might have a physical shop. If one day you want to make a website for someone, the person have a physical shop. If the person does not have a physical shop, there is no need for a map. If the person has a physical shop, then yes, that means you want to use make a map so that anybody that goes to your website can immediately just like a map on your website. For example, if you want to add your business to your map, go here. Go to this part, go to add your business. So when you add your business, put your information, tell it where it is on the map. That's it. That is on the map. So that's that. So when you add your business, anybody that search for it will be able to see, okay, there's something like that related here. So that's that. But let us now go inside garage. Let me just look for one business. Let me look for Tantalizer or something like that. Or should I start for dog glue? Let me start for dog glue. Oh, yes, look at it. Okay, dog glue pump. What's Wait a minute. Yes. Is this correct? That is the issue. Is this place correct? We are correct. I mean, this is roundabout.
Yeah, no, fine. Let's say
But what be this? Wait. Market. Yes. Sure.
Somebody show. Imagine.
No problem. So let's start on this one. Let's say we want to add this to our map. Go to this place and say share. Go to this top and say embed the map. Copy HTML. Copy it. Go to your code. Paste it wherever you like. For me, I have taught you how to use width and whatever, move and everything, blah blah blah. So if you copy it and paste, you will see something like this. It's come on an iframe. Me, I hate this width. Remove this shit. Remove it. But what you will do will be to like give it a class. You can say class of my map. Abi? My map. And you can now go up here. Leave that height there. Let that height be there. Leave it. But you can say my map should have a width of 100%. Put 100%.
Why do you cancel that one down?
Because it is in PX. 800 PX or 1000 is PX. I want to use percent. Then, if it's 100%, it means that you touch the edge, Abi. Touch the edge. Don't talk to me, bruv. This is our map share. It's 100%. If you now want to make it look smaller here, you can give a div. Just like wrap it inside a div, and this div will have a max width, like our header. You can give it a max width, you can put it inside. So this div is now the one that will be responsible for making it bigger or smaller. Don't touch that map again. Let it be like that. 100% map. You see that this tag is an iframe. This iframe tag. Also go to the top here. You know when you guys usually write this IMG stuff, max width. Also put comma iframe. Put comma iframe. Alright, max width 100%. As in case the width is not written there. If the width was not there, it may be too big. So put this one there. That it means do not exceed 100% sharp. That is the second thing. Last thing, let us talk about how we can add maybe like a YouTube. You have a YouTube channel, you want to add it to
like my movie house, my YouTube channel.
Yeah, sometimes. Yes, exactly. So that's how I did something like that. So the movie is already there, but I have to add it using like Google. Which one I say? So what do I want to do? I want to first go online, search for a YouTube video. I will not search for a popular one because it will be hard. The person, the person who is making the website sometimes might tell people that okay, I don't want people to share it. But if you are not making a website for yourself, you will not say okay, yes, I can share it. So I will look for a video of Messi dribbling.
Ronaldo.
Dribbling YouTube. Ronaldo. So yes, video. I'm looking for a YouTube video, not any other nonsense, please. Shish.
Why you do
Waiting be this one. We should have AI is that.
like she says, yeah.
I like this one.
It's clear.
I like this one. Why am I choosing a lower one? I'm choosing somebody that is not popular, that might not restrict us. So I'm tapping on it. And what else we want to do? Fine girl. Go here. Is this YouTube? What the hell is this? Oh yeah. This is not YouTube. Bro. This is not YouTube. This is Bing. This is Bing. Go to YouTube, I beg. YouTube, tube. Aha. This is how YouTube looks like. So YouTube.com. Pause that here.
What is it?
So yes, go to this place. You say share. I mean, tap on share. Look for the link that says embed. You see embed? Then the link, just copy and paste where you like. Right. So if you paste, you see that it comes with its own height and width. Leave the height, please. Remove the width. Boom. Then make a div. What?
That one is too much.
The width is not as if it's too much. It's 500 px. It's small, but it means if the screen is smaller than 500 px, you have to scroll into seats. That happens. So yes, as I said, do exactly what I said. But will it work? Will this show? Is another issue. Let's refresh. Remember, you need data for this to work. So this is working. Bam. So this is not. You can see. You see? They have blocked us.
They have not removed the width.
They have blocked us. They blocked us. They don't want us to see it. They want to go to YouTube. So I'm looking for another one. Person is stingy.
I have one that will work.
I don't care.
The one I added to my own. They don't restrict me.
They don't restrict you, Abi. What's the name of that one?
Mad.
How will I know the channel? That is the problem.
Okay, let me honest.
No need.
Oh, sorry.
You know if you pass my class. Pass my class. Yeah, sure. So yes, let me look for another one, sure. Let me finish one there. Please, YouTube Direct.
And a flood of
If you don't do, we know say you'll be good. So embed, copy, come back here. Pasta. Refresh. So yes, come back here, you can now watch the video here.
What is now?
Yeah, now. So yeah, we're done with it here. So it's simple. If one day you have a YouTube channel, you can add your videos. Yeah.
Can I download from here? I have a YouTube channel.
No. It's YouTube.
Yes.
Sure, if you download like that, share from your
I
YouTube.
can, okay, instead of me using YouTube, I cannot use
You don't need to like.
Right. Let's try it.
Just quickly teach you this small short video how to use icons. I've given you assignment on headers. Remember, that has some small icons scattered around. So let's see how to add icons. We need these two things. We need this and we need this. So I'll copy it, paste it inside probably his desktop. These two things. Now, this is just the cheat sheet that has all the names of all the icons. You don't need to worry about adding this to your folder. Don't add this to your folder. This one you need in the folder. This particular function. So copy and you paste it inside here. And so you paste it here. You have your function folder. Now inside the function folder, there is this CSS folder. There is this one. This is what you need. Remember, it's like CSS, so you have to link it. Go to the top. If you want to use it here, you have to link it. Tap LINK function CSS main CSS. You get it? I've linked it. You understand this part? First step, you have done. Link it first. You have done that. Next step is now to where do you want to use it? Let's say we want to use it like inside the sign up. I want to add an arrow inside after the sign up, inside that blue button. Right? So first thing you do, open an I and give it a class of FA. Do you understand? Open an I tag. Open an I tag and give it a class of FA first. Then we now need to know the name of that icon. You understand step by step. Open an I tag, click out FA first, then put space, then we need to know the icon name. That is where we need this font or this div chart. Open it with your Edge or whatever. Open it. So you have to see all the names. So yes, once you open it from here, this is the name we need. All these things you are saying. Usernames. This is you see here. So me, I will just look for our own arrow and add it. Let me look for this arrow. Let me add this arrow here. Let me add this arrow. So the name is FA Chevron Right. Abi? So copy that name. Come back here, paste it. That's all. What is it? If you want, you can add Google there. Let me look for Google. I'll press Ctrl F. I want to look for Google. Google is not here, Sha. Okay, zero. It's here. Google, there's another Google. As you see them here, Sha. It's an old Google logo, Sha. FA Google. Alright, so you see here.